Okay, Assalamualaikum and good day. So my name is Azin Nawawi from UTHM, and today I will show you. We will continue our training about Onshape, and today we're gonna wanna do the sketch. Okay, sketch. Okay, so let me go straight forward. So the first thing you need to do is you need to open the Onshape website. Okay, onshape.com, just like usual. Okay. Here Onshape, I hope you can still remember onshape.com, and you can see that the Onshape already changed their logo, new color, green color here. Okay, so no worries. Okay, so you just need to sign in to your account up here. Okay, up to the right. Okay, sign in, and for the first timer, what you need to do is you just need to go to sign in, and then okay, wait. Okay, I'll go to incognito. Okay, for the first time, what you need to do is you just need to go sign in, and then you just need to register from there. Okay, because it is quite confusing sometimes. Okay, so this is Onshape. Okay, Onshape, and for the first time, you need to sign in from the using the green box here. Okay, so click on that one, and then you need to wait. Okay, and then there is an option where you can sign up here. Okay, here sign up. Okay, so you can sign up, then you need to put your name, your email, and all those details, and then you need to identify whether you are an educator or student or hobbyist or anything. And I will love to remember to you to note that the free account of Onshape, what you can do is only the public, your drawing will be public, so it will be visible by others. Okay, so if you want to make the drawing quite private, you need to go to the paid account. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to do this sketch. Okay, this sketch, it is quite complicated, but it is doable. Okay, you can see here we have something like a bracket. Okay, we're going to start from here. From up here, there's 24, radius 24, another circle 28, and we're going to go down clockwise, 33, 37, and we're going to see a hexagon, a polygon, and then we're going to go down and going to see a circle, and then we're going to have a couple of arc, and then this is an ellipse. Okay, this is okay, so a lot of elements here, so we're going to do it one by one. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, let's do it. So okay, imagine that this is your Onshape. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go here. You need to create a new drawing. So first go here to create. Okay, go to create, and then you need to choose document. Okay, meaning that you're gonna make a new drawings. Okay, new documents. Okay, go to documents, and then give it a name, maybe a sketch 2 or sketch 3. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, give it a name. Okay, give it a name. Okay, and then you go to create public document. Okay, you can see that here it is public, meaning that everyone can see or can access your drawing. So your drawing is no longer private. Okay, so like I said before, if you want to go private, you need to go for the paid account. You need to pay something to them. Okay, but just for the learning purpose, yeah, public is okay. Okay, so go to public, and then you need to wait for the website to load you into a new window. Okay, so this is where we're gonna start drawing. Okay, you can see that this is the three planes, and this is the something like the history, and all up here is the icons. Okay, many icons. It's going to be very useful. Okay, so today we're going to do the sketch. Okay, so the first thing first, because this is a 2D drawing, okay, we need to choose a plane and draw on that plane. And in this tutorial, I will choose front. Okay, front plane. Okay, seems good. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to go to front here and choose the plane and make it turn into orange color like this, and then I'm going to go to up here to sketch. Okay, meaning that I want to start to sketch. Okay, 2D drawing. Okay, go sketch, and then you will get a new element come here, a new box with the name sketch 1, meaning that the sketch mode is active. Okay, but the sketch is in the location that isometric, and it is hard for you to do sketching on the page like this. What you need to do is you need to make the sketch 1 to rotate a bit so that it will face your screen. Okay, to do it, okay, just do right click anywhere on the screen, right click, and then you're going to choose view normal to sketch plane. Okay, view normal sketch plane like that. Okay, now you are good to go. Okay, So you can see that your sketch is it's directly, okay, it's normal to the screen. Okay, so the first thing is, okay, you can see, okay, we're gonna do the big one first. Okay, the big circle, the one with the 24 radius here. Okay, 24 radius. Okay, we're gonna start with that one. Okay, so start with a circle. Okay, before that, make sure that you change the unit to the units based on your drawing. So for my drawings, the unit is in mm here, millimeters. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to go to Onshape and set the units to millimeters. So to do that, you need to go to up here. There is a 3 lines. Okay, just like the one with Adidas logo. Okay, 3 lines. Click on that one, and then you go to workspace units. Okay, number 4. Okay, go to that one, and then you can see that the default unit is inch, and the default max is pound. So you need to change that to match your drawing specs. Okay, so inches change to millimeter. Okay, here inches change to mm, millimeter. Okay, inches to millimeter, and then pound you need to change to kilogram. That's all. Okay, pound to kilogram. So the rest is okay. So when you finish with the changing, you need to click here on the green arrow, meaning that you will save the setting. Okay, so now, as I mentioned before, we're going to start with the 24 radius circle. So back to Onshape to make a circle. Okay, so you need to go back to sketch, because the sketch mode is not activated because you just change the unit. So go back to sketch to activate the sketch mode. Okay, go to that one, and then choose the space, the plane, which is this plane. Okay, so sketch 2. Okay, no worries. Okay, so first is a circle, so we're gonna put a circle here. Okay, to take a circle up here. Okay, you can see that from the icon, take one circle and just put it over here. Okay, put it over here, put it in the center, and drag it out. Okay, and try to play around with the dimension. You can see that I playing around this dimension. Okay, so make it maybe about 28 or maybe 20, yeah, something like that. Okay, put it there. Okay, so just the left the dimension after this. So we're gonna proceed with the shape first. Okay, so 24, sorry, and then we're gonna go to 33 and 27. So 33 here down, and then 33, and this one dimension for now. Okay, so we're gonna proceed with the 33. Okay, and we're gonna the L line, L shaped line. So just pick any line. Okay, pick any line, just put it here. 1, 2. Okay, today what we're gonna learn is we're gonna take out everything. We're gonna take out the elements from the drawing, just put on our paper or our plane here, and then we're gonna combine them using here the relation function. Okay, we're gonna do the tangents. Okay, the tangent. Now we're gonna use all these things to combine the elements of our drawing. So it is quite interesting. Okay, and it's gonna save a lot of time. So I hope you can stay with me. Okay, so the next is the polygon. Okay, so 5 edges here, polygon. So just go here and take here. Okay, this one, inscript polygon. Okay, click that one and put the polygon here. Like that, or is it like, okay, so make sure that okay, just put there. Okay, polygon, voila, nice. Okay, once you put the polygon, you can move the mouse to the left and right to identify how many edges the polygon have. So to add more edges, you just go to the right, and to reduce the edges, go to the left. So ours is 5, so make it 5, and then tap, enter. So nice, we're gonna have a polygon. Okay, polygon here, nice. Okay, so next is no worries for this one because this is just a line. We can make it later to combine, or okay, maybe you can take out line. Okay, so make a line like this. Okay, line like this. Okay, just put anywhere. Okay, so take a line here. Okay, put it here. Nice. Okay, so after that we're gonna take a circle to mesh. Okay, the circle you can see here, the diameter, let's say the radius here is 21, the small one. Okay, don't get confused, the small one is the radius 24, but we're gonna do the big ones with the radius of 21. Okay, so take a circle. Okay, so another circle, put it here, just leave it there. Okay, nice. Okay, So what we're gonna have next? Okay, next is an arc. Okay, arc down here. Just take an arc. Okay, this is quite new for you. Okay, where is arc? Arc is here. Okay, this is the arc. Sorry, arc here, just next to the circle. So click on that one. There's many types of arc. So I think we just go with the first one, which is the 3-point arc. Okay, so choose this one and put here 1, 2, move it like that. Okay, let me make bigger. Okay, that is okay. Thumb settle. Okay, you already have your arc. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, now you're moving to, okay, the next is the ellipse down here. Okay, ellipse down here. Okay, dimension 16133. Okay, so go take the ellipse. Okay, where is this ellipse? Ellipse is with the circle. They are in the same group. Okay, so click on this one. You can see down here is the ellipse. Okay, you can choose the circle and go choose the ellipse. Okay, choose the ellipse, and to put the ellipse is quite simple. This is the first, you need to put the center of ellipse, and then you need to choose the biggest axis, and then you're gonna go to the smallest axis like that. Okay, like that. Okay, so now voila, you have an ellipse. Okay, so then you have 2 arcs. Okay, 1 arc over here, another arc over here. Okay, we need to put in 2 arcs. Okay, so go back here, you're gonna put it here. Okay, so choose the arcs. Okay, this one, and then put 1. Okay, 1 for the beginning, and the one is for the ending, and the one is for the center of the arc. Let me make it bigger. Okay, center of the arc. Okay, this one. Right. So another one. Okay, another one. Okay, so one is for the beginning, this one is for an ending, and this one for the center of the arc. Simple. Okay, and then you're gonna have a circle. I'll just take it 1 arc, 2 arc. Okay, maybe this is an arc too. Okay, this is an arc too. Okay, oh, you have 3 arc already. Okay. Or you want to take a circle or arc, is up to you. Okay, this one R19. Okay, maybe this is an arc. Okay, so 1 arc, 2 arc, 1 arc, 2 arc. Okay, the third arc, sorry, third arc. Okay, so take a third arc here. Wait, let me see that. Then okay. Oh, I think I got it wrong. So this one already here. So yeah, another one should be here. From the shape of it, this is this way and it this way. Okay, this is this way and then that way. Okay, so we need to plus 1 more arc. Okay, down here actually, to combine this thing. Okay, so 1 more arc down here. Sorry, 1, 2, like that. Okay, 3 arc. It's nice. Okay, so we already have 3 arc, and the last one is a line. To finish the shape, we're gonna make a line. Okay, so no worries about the dimension, just take a line, and no worries about the angle. Okay, we're gonna do it later. Okay, so 1 line we're gonna put it here. Just take a line and put it here like this. Okay, nice. Okay, and now we're gonna proceed with the dimension of the elements. Okay, so the first one is the circle here. The dimension is 24 radius, R24, meaning the radius 24 and the radius 24. Okay, so to set the radius, what you need to do is just go up here. There is a dimension icon. Okay, just next to the relation icon. Okay, so click on that one and go to your drawings, to the elements, and then do it like this. So it is 24 and it is 48. The radius, sorry, diameter is 48 because the radius is 24 and diameter is 48. Quite nice. And this one is 33. Okay, but this one not yet. Okay, so here it is 33. And nice. Okay, and then the polygon, the edges, sorry, 39. I don't really know what the name of the side, but I just call it edges. I'm sorry if I'm wrong. So it is 39. Okay, 39. Nice. Okay, bring in. Okay, you can move your elements. Make sure that you get out of any of the icons, and then just drag drag it wherever you want. Okay, maybe you put it here. Okay, drag it, okay, to the location that you want. Okay, nice. And then okay, this one is okay, no dimension for that one. Okay, and then for this one, for the I think the circle is the radius is 21. Okay, diameter is 42 for this one. Okay, and then we go back, and this one is here, put it here, 42. Nice. Okay, then the arc down here, the radius is 30, R30. So just go back, and then dimension it is okay, R30. Nice. Okay, and then the ellipse down here, dimension is the major axis. Okay, major axis, which meaning this one, okay, this side to this side it is 161, and the minor axis is 333. Okay, this one for this one. Okay, so let's do it, 161 and 33. So first we're gonna do with the major axis. So to do that, you need to go this side, and then this side, and then bring it out there, and it is, put the number over there. So it is 161, enter. Okay, voila. Okay, looks weird, okay, no worries. Okay, and then the other axis is 33, this side, and then choose that side, and then take it out, and it is 33. Nice. Okay, nice. Okay, so what about we drag it a little to the inside? Okay, no worries. Okay, and then this one, okay, you can see that, okay, this arc, it is R16, and this one is R19. Okay, R16 and then R19. Okay, oh, so this one's part of the ellipse. Okay, I'm wrong again. Okay, and then this one is R19. Okay, so R19 and R16, R19. Okay, I think I got it wrong over there. So no need for this one. Okay, we just need for this arc. One arc and two arc. Okay, sorry, I got confused. So this one is R16. So this one R16. So click on that one. It is okay, take it outside. R16. Nice. Okay, and then that one is R19. Okay, R19. So this one is R19. 19. Very nice. Okay, so this one is no use. So take it out. Okay, highlight that one and then click delete. Okay, nice. Okay, so now is the time for us to combine them all. Okay, to do it, okay, this is very important, so you need to watch. Okay, the first thing is this circle and this line is tangent. So to do it, you just need to choose the circle. Okay, I'll do it slowly. Okay, choose the circle, make it orange, and then choose the line. Okay, like I said before. Okay, this circle and this line is tangent. Okay, so we need to set them as tangent. So to do that, we're going to go to the relation. So you need to highlight both. Okay, circle and lines, and then you need to go to up here to the relation. Okay, up here, relation, and then we gonna go choose tangent. Okay, the fourth one, tangent. Okay, click over there. Voila. Okay, it is tangent, but it is not touching each other because it is quite far. Okay, so to make it touching each other, okay, to make it the line touch the circle, what you need to do is you need to set them as coincident, meaning that they will meet at one point. You can see here, okay, the entity or the element will meet at one point, meaning that in a short form, to make it easier, it will touch each other. Okay, meet at one point, meaning that it will touch each other. Okay, so choose the, okay, to do that you need to choose the circle. Okay, choose the circle and then choose the point here. Okay, voila, and then back to relation, and then you're gonna choose coincident, meaning that you want the circle and line to meet at one point. Okay, click. See, it's nice. Okay, nice. Okay, and then the next thing is, okay, okay, the line will touch the polygon. Line here touch the polygon. Okay, and then we're gonna go with the dimension 27. Okay, so line here. Okay, sorry, the point gonna, okay. So to do it, okay, so this point will touch this point. So choose them both, and then you go to choose the points, and then you need to go to coincident. Okay, coincident. Nice. Okay, nice. Okay, and then you can proceed with the relation. Relation is from here to here, it is 27. So do it now. Okay, so go to the dimension. So from here, okay, until here, it is 27. Nice. Okay, and you can see that the sketch turned to black color. Okay, black color meaning that the dimension is good enough. So there is no uncertainties. Okay, so it's good. Black sketch is good. Okay, so next is this one. Okay, you can see that. Okay, this circle, it is from the polygon 33. Okay, and then from the other one, polygon 33 down here 33. Okay, and then it is about 202. Okay, so we need to set this one first, and then we're gonna go to get that one. Okay, no worries. Okay, I think because the dimension is related to this one, so we also need to set to this one first. Okay, no worries, no problem. Okay, so what about we set this one first? Okay, this one, the circle here, down here, or the arc. Okay, you can see that it is about 20 mm to the left of the main circle, and then 84 to the way down. Okay, no need to worry. 84 way down here. Okay, 84. Okay, so no need to worry. Go back here. Okay, this arc. Okay, this arc. Okay, so this one. Okay, so this arc, this point and this point, the dimension, okay, try to make, okay, the dimension like that is 20. 20, nice. It's 20, like here, 20. Okay, and then it will go down to 84. Okay, and the vertical dimension is to 84. Okay, so go back here and then do it again from here to here. Vertical direction, okay, is 84. Nice, we go over there. Okay, and to make things go nice, what about we combine this line to the both circle and arc, because they are in tangent. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so we're gonna do this line, we're gonna combine with the circle in the tangent form, and we're gonna combine the line to the arc in the tangent form. Okay, so go there. Okay, so like I said before, okay, so you need to escape because you need to go out of this mode. So press escape, make sure that no icon is turning on. Okay, so then we're gonna choose the circle, and then we're gonna choose the line. Okay, and then we're gonna go to the relation here, up here. Okay, and then we're gonna choose tangent. Okay, tangent. Okay, nice, and it is not touching each other, so no worries. So we're gonna choose the line and the point here, and then the circle, and we're gonna go again. We're gonna choose coincident. Okay, it is touching. Nice. Okay, and then same for this one. Okay, we're gonna down here, we're gonna make these two in tangent form. So choose the arc and then choose the line, and then we go up, and then we're gonna choose tangent because it is voila, nice. Okay, and you can see that the line is too long over, and the easy way that you can think of is to trim it, but it is not really good. What you need to do is you need to go make them touch at one point. Okay, so first we're gonna do is, okay, you need to concentrate one. So you need to choose the point here and choose the arc here. Okay, and then you need to choose coincident. Okay, coincident. Okay, nice. Okay, one more time. Okay, one more time. The point here, okay, and the line here, and you're gonna choose coincident. See? Nice. Okay, it's very nice. Okay, it's very nice. Okay, and then, okay, what about the arc here? Okay, the arc here. Okay, come, let's do it. The 16. The 16, because it's in tangent with the 19, R19 and R16 are in tangent form. So go back here, and then we go to, okay, this is quite far. How about we make it nearer? Okay, bring over there. Okay, and then, okay, highlight this one, R19, and highlight R16, and then you go to tangent. Okay, tangent number 4. Okay, doesn't look like one, right? So no worries, because what you need to do is you need to click on this point, and then I think click on this point, and then you're gonna go to coincident. Nice. Okay, it is nicely done over here. You can see that. You can see this is the continuity point. Okay, nice. Okay, so now, because we already have the dimension, so the location of this arc. So now we can put this point, this circle, to position. So we know that this circle is 33 mm in the horizontal dimension from the polygon, and then it is about 202 mm from the R19. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so this one. Okay, what if we move them a little bit? Okay, so that can be easier for us to arrange everything. Okay, put it here, and this one put it here. Okay, things will be easy. Okay, so this one, okay, dimension, go dimension. Okay, remember dimension. Okay, so dimension, so this one, okay, choose the center. Okay, this one, and then this one, and then this one. Okay, bring it down to 202, right? Put it here, 202. Enter. Nice. Okay, nice. Get it down here, and then down from here is 333. Okay, so can make it bigger so it's easy on your eyes. 1, 2, like that. Okay, it is 333. Okay, nicely done. And then we can put this line in position. The line is coincident to the polygon, and it is in tangent with the circle. So it is quite easy. So the first thing is this point, make bigger. So this thing is quite easy. This point, okay, escape. This point and this point, it is coincident. Okay, voila, nice. Okay, and then this circle and this line, it is they are in tangent. Nice. Okay, and then this point and this circle, they are in coincident, because they will combine, or they will meet at one point. Nice. See, very nice. Okay, quite easy. Okay, and then okay, so now for this one, so R30 is tangent to the R21. Okay, so that one is quite simple. So okay, you need to choose to R21 and choose R30, and then you're gonna go to the and then you're gonna choose tangent. Okay, relation, you choose tangent. Nice. Okay, and then you need to make sure that it is combined in the right manners. So choose the points, and then choose the circle, and then you go to coincident. Okay, coincident. Voila, nice. Okay, so leave it there. Okay, so now we're gonna work on the ellipse down here. Okay, you can see that the ellipse, it is tangent to the R16. Okay, tangent to R16, and then it is also tangent to the R30 here. Okay, R30, and you can see that the vertical dimension of ellipse is 52 from this circle. Okay, 52, but there is no horizontal dimension. Okay, I believe that the ellipse have the same midpoints as this one, as the slot. Okay, so we're gonna take a midpoint here and midpoint, and they are in the same location, something like that. Okay, I hope you can understand that. Okay, so first we're gonna do the 52. Okay, 52. Okay, so ellipse is 52. Okay, so to do it is simple. Okay, you're gonna need to go to the dimension up here. Okay, dimension, and okay, one over here, another one is over here, and then take it up. So it is how much again? 52, 52, 52, enter. Okay, almost there. Okay, and now we're gonna do the tangent. Okay, for the ellipse and all those things. So okay, so now the ellipse is in tangent form with the R16. So to do it, okay, you just need to go out of the dimension. So by click escape, okay, and then choose the ellipse and choose the R16, and then you go to up here to the relation, okay, and then you're gonna choose tangent. Okay, tangent. Okay, see, nice. Okay, and then again, okay, make the coincidence, okay, for this point and the ellipse, and then you're gonna choose coincident. Okay, so make them meet at one point. See, very nice. Okay, very nice. Okay, and then for this one, the same thing. We're gonna make them tangent. So wait, it is something wrong. 161. It is 161. Oh, okay, I know. No worries. Okay, so this one, okay, and this one and the ellipse, it is in tangent, right? Tangent. Okay, tangent. Moving. Okay, nice. And then we're gonna make a coincident for this one. So the ellipse and the point is in coincident. Okay, coincident mode. Voila. See, nice. So nice. Okay. Okay, so nice. Okay, so okay, before we trim the ellipse, what if we make a slot first, because we're gonna lock because now you can see that part of the sketch is black. Black meaning the sketch is fixed, it can be moved, but the one with the blue color can still be moved. So it is a problem. If you are a design engineer, this is a problem because this thing still can move here and there. Okay, it is not a good way to make a sketch. Okay, so Ctrl Z. Okay, so what we need to do is we're gonna lock the ellipse, because we already locked the ellipse in the horizontal dimension. We already have lock the ellipse in the horizontal movement, but we don't have. We already locked the ellipse in the vertical, so it cannot move up and down, but it still can move to the left, to the right. So we have to lock the ellipse in the horizontal axis. So to lock the ellipse, we need here the slot up here. This one. Okay, you can see that this one is a slot. I'm gonna teach you how to make a slot. Okay, and then it is 15 R15, and the length of the axis here is 78. Okay, so to make it, first you need to make a construction line. Construction line of the slot. This line is a construction line. Okay. So in Onshape, to make a construction line, it is quite simple. First, you need to go up here to the construction, meaning that any line that you draw after you activate this icon will be transformed into construction line. Okay, so choose here, make it in blue color like this. Okay, meaning that it is active. Okay, and then go to the lines. Okay, go to the line, choose the line, because we're gonna make a line, right? So go to the line and make a line here. Okay, one simple line. Tada, voila, nice. And click S. Make a line here and click escape. Okay, meaning you have the lines. Okay, so you can see here the line dimension is 78. Okay, and then we go here. Okay, and give the dimension, give line dimension to the line. Okay, okay, again go to the dimension icon and then click here and click the line and give it 78. Just put anywhere. You can arrange the dimension later. I know it's not really good. Okay, and then we're gonna choose the slot here. So the slot is under the offset. Okay, where is the slot? Slot is here under the offset icon. Okay, so go to the offset and you can see that down here after offset is the slot. Choose the slot, and the slot. Okay, in Onshape, to make the slot, first you need to have the shape, the middle axis of the slot. And from this drawing, this line is the middle axis, or maybe the guide axis for the slot. This line, In other ways, you can make the axis maybe look like this, or maybe look like this. Okay, so the slot will follow you with the shape like this. Okay, so here our axis is straight line, so we are lucky. Okay, so and then choose the slot. Okay, choose the slot, and then choose the line. Choose the line here. Make sure it's in orange. Okay, voila, over there. Okay, so now you already make a slot. Congratulations. Okay, so this is the slot. Okay, so now we're going to proceed with the dimension of the slot. Okay, we can see that the dimension from here is R15. R15. Okay, so go there. Okay, choose dimension, and then wait. For a sec. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna make it again. Okay, no worries. Okay, so it is 78. Enter. So we're gonna go back to the slot and click it here. Okay, nice. Enter. Okay, so the slot is in dark blue, which is it is there, and the dimension is one is R15. One is R15. Oh wait, something wrong. Control Z. Okay, so delete one. Something wrong with the dimension. Delete. Okay, so the dimension for this slot is R15. Enter. Okay, something wrong. Maybe because I locked the slot with something else. Okay, something wrong. So sketch could not be solved. Okay, no worries. Good. Okay, I don't know why, because it seems that it already locked the dimension. Okay, so maybe something here. It locked the dimension of my slot. Okay, 27. Okay, no worries. We're gonna make a new slot. Okay, okay, just leave it like okay. Just imagine that the dimension is 50. Okay, so now you have your slot. Okay, the location of the slot. It is 52 from here. Okay, you can see that it is 52 from here, and 14 from the R19. Okay, 14 down, and then it is to the right of the R19 52. Okay, so let's go back. Slot. Okay, so dimension. Okay, so R19 and the slot, it is 52 here. 52. Okay, like that, and then it is 14 down here. 14 down here. Okay, so not to worry. So go back to this one, and wait, dimension, this one, and then this. Okay, so something wrong. I don't know why. Make it move a little bit because it is a sketch like that. Okay, dimension, and it is 14. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, nice. So the dimension is it's 14. Okay, the slot is there. So you can see that the slot is black in color. Okay, black in color. Okay, why? This is why. Okay, this is why I can set the dimension to R15, because the dimension is already there. See, for the slot. Okay, so just click on this one and change to 15. Okay, that is why. Nice. Okay, nice. Okay, slot. Wait, R15. Oh, maybe 30. R15. Oh, so this one should be 30. Oh, sorry. Wait. Okay, it's 30. Okay, so the slot is there, and we can see that we want to lock the location. As I said before, this one is still in blue color. It is not good because we have not locked the location of the ellipse. Okay, so now we already locked the ellipse to the horizontal. So the vertical axis is 52 for this one, and we have to lock in the horizontal. We need to lock the another axis to make sure that the ellipse will not move to the left and the right. Okay, so first, like I said before, we're gonna lock the dimension. We're gonna make it. Okay, we're gonna make it that the middle points for the slot and for the ellipse is in the vertical axis. Okay, like that. Okay, so now we can see that the ellipse already have the midpoints, but the slot doesn't have any midpoints. So you need to put the point Okay, to put the points, you need to go up here to the points. Points. Okay, so click on the points, and then you go to the construction line, and then you can see that it snaps over there. It tries to snaps over there. Okay, just choose it. Okay, so now you have a point here. A point here on the slot. Okay, so now we're gonna set. Okay, now we're gonna set the point of the slot and the point of the ellipse as we go up here. We're gonna set them as vertical. Okay, vertical. Voila. Okay, so now you can see that the shape of the everything is black. Okay, everything is black. So it is quite nice. Okay, quite nice. Okay, so now you can proceed with the trim. Okay, to trim the element that you don't want, you can go to up here, guys. Up here, trim, and you can choose the trim features, and then you can go here like this. Go to the one that you don't want, and then make it sure that it turn orange, and then click like that. It is quite fun. Okay, take it out. Okay, so it turns blue because we trim some part of the polygon, and now the polygon turns blue because it doesn't have any, because the dimension is not enough, it's not sufficient. Okay, this one gonna trim that one. Okay, and then we're gonna trim this part, again this part too, trim. Okay, trim. Okay, so the thing with the polygon, because we delete some of the parts, and then it turns blue, so we need to put another dimension for them. Okay, so the problem is it is now just like a simple drain. So what we need to do is we need to put some angle to them, and we need to put dimension on 3 of the edges. Okay, so to do it, just this one, because this one is already set as 50, it says 39. Okay, so we're gonna make sure that these two have the same dimension. So what you need to do is simple, click on this one, and then click on the other two, 1, 2, and then go to relation, and then you're gonna choose equal. Okay, equal. Okay, and then choose equal, so it is equal. Okay, next we're gonna set the dimension for the angle here, over here. Okay, so go to dimension up here, and then choose this one and this one, and the angle is 108. Enter. So this one and this one also 108. Enter. Okay, but it is gray in color, meaning that it is over dimension. So what if we take them out first? Okay, so we need to find what's wrong. So what is wrong with them? Okay, so to get to know the problem, so we need to move them around. Okay, see, this is the problem. From what I can see is this circle, it is not properly locked, this circle. Okay, so Ctrl Z, properly locked. So go back to the circle. So we haven't locked this. We haven't done the 52 here. Circle to the ellipse 52. Oh, where did I put that? Yeah, already there. Ellipse, but circle to the ellipse 52 over here. Here 33. This part to this part 33. Okay, this part is not there, I think. Okay, so go back. Go back. Voila, we have that. Okay, not a problem. So what's the problem? This one is good. Okay, I know why. Because this part and this part, it is not coincident. Okay, not coincident. Okay, it is not coincident. Okay, so what I need to do is, okay, click on this one and click on this one and put on coincident. Voila. Okay, now it is black. See? Okay, so that is how we do sketch in Onshape. And to the rest of the sketch, it is quite easy. Okay, you just put any circle for this one, and put dimension, and then you finish. And before that, make sure that you arrange the dimension to make it quite presentable. Put it over there like that, over there like that. Okay, make it over there, move it to the good location, maybe like that, and then wait, and then this part make it over up here, this part maybe up here. Okay, so make it more presentable, okay, before you print the design and all those things. Okay, so I think, yeah, that's all. Okay, that's all for Onshape. So I hope that it is beneficial to you. Okay, so this is how we do the sketch in Onshape. Okay, so thank you for your time and goodbye.